Hey y'all, it's me Charity here at Lady Cookin' Luck on YouTube, and today I decided to film a what I ate on New Year's video. I know it's been a while since I posted any videos, but I've just kind of been busy and a little caught up in just holidays and everything else going on in life. So I haven't been able to make any cooking videos, even though I have posted some makeup videos here and there. So if you want, you can go check them out. I will post the link to my beauty channel down below. So today is January 1st, 2018. I have been so lazy today. I have not brushed my hair. I haven't showered or anything. I've just been so lazy and I've been lounging all day and it feels good. I feel like I'm starting the new year off right. Just kidding. So today's video isn't really a cooking video or anything. I just decided to take a few clips of a few things I ate today. I made a few good choices and a few not so good choices. But it's all good. The day's almost over. But I did want to start eating healthier this year. But candy got the best of me. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind this right here. This is yesterday's makeup. I'm actually still in my pajamas, and like I said, hair ain't been brushed or nothing, girl. Honestly, I don't think today's food was that exciting. If I was back home in Texas today, I would be eating black-eyed peas, cornbread, and greens. It is a New Year tradition. Every year in my fam, New Year's we have black-eyed peas, and I would have loved some of my mom and dad's black-eyed peas today. Alan doesn't eat black-eyed peas though, so I just thought to make like whatever. Buffalo chicken. So I'm actually having a pretty late breakfast. It's 1:53. I already had coffee this morning. I had some lemon water and I also had some water with apple cider vinegar. So this is my little late breakfast. I've got some scrambled eggs, just 2 eggs, salt and pepper and Italian seasoning. I've got some cottage cheese here. The cottage cheese I'm using is this brand right here. I don't know if it's available everywhere, but this stuff is amazing if you can get your hands on some. It is so delicious. You will love it. It's cottage cheese, and the brand is, I'm assuming you pronounce it Muna, but there's no telling. I'm also having a piece of grainy toast with butter and a little bit too much Marmite. But I love Marmite. I'm obsessed with it. So I put it all over and I put a lot of it. And it's going to be so good. So good morning. Happy New Year. Now I'm going to take some of this fruit cocktail. I've already opened it with my handy dandy can opener. I'm going to put it in my cute little pink Tupperware from Rubbermaid. And I'm going to put that in the ice box so I can chill a little bit. And later I'm going to have a little fruit cocktail. Okay, seriously, I'm curious to know, what is your favorite thing in a can of fruit cocktail? Mine is obviously the cherries. Cherries are the best. Okay, so it's funny because it's New Year's, January 1st, 2018, and I was like, I'm gonna eat healthy today. I'm starting to eat healthy today. We go to the dollar store and I see these. We had to have them, and I ate a lot of them, and they were so good. And then Alan found these. These are, oh my gosh, so delicious. We probably ate the whole bag pretty much within minutes. They're so good. They were at the dollar store. Gourmet red licorice, Wiley Wallaby brand. I've never had these before, but they're so good to die for. Mike and Ike cotton candy. Oh, so good. So now I'm actually going to start cooking, but I'm not going to do a cooking tutorial because basically this is just a what I ate on New Year's video. I'm going to be making some buffalo chicken strips. If you guys want to know how I make them, let me know and I will do a how-to. But I'm just going to season them up and get them ready. Got my chicken going, and I'm also going to be making garlic noodles. We've also got some orange bell pepper here, some celery, and some roasted garlic ranch. Okay, so we've got some buffalo chicken here, some roasted garlic ranch, and we've got some garlic butter noodles. This is Alan's plate, and this is my plate. Alan's chicken is really covered in the sauce, but I didn't put that much because I have bad acid reflux, and it will seriously make it act up. Alright, it's time to eat. See y'all later. And if you're wondering what Kiki had today, she had Purina Kitten Chow. She also had a little catnip. So I know this video was really short and boring, but you know, it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed it regardless. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know I haven't been active on this channel, but I plan on making a lot more videos in the future, so please subscribe and don't give up on me. And I'll see you next time. I hope you all had a wonderful and happy new year, and I hope you all have a very blessed 2018. See ya.